हेलो सर।
हाँ बोलिए।
Michael Ishan Gupta sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, actually this is Jagdish sir from Andhra Pradesh. Before 1 or 2 years ago, I explained the concept to provide protection to everyone using the liquid chemicals actually. I hope you remember me.
Come again. Your voice is not very loud and clear. Please come again.
Okay. Please, 1 minute, please. Net is on. I will off the net first. Okay. I'm Jagdish. Actually, I am from Andhra Pradesh. Actually, I have idea to provide protection to everyone using liquid chemicals. To provide protection to Hindus, to provide protection of Hindu temples actually. That I prepared actually one video, just a 2 minutes video.
Okay.
When I send that, through liquid chemicals tanks installation and through CC cameras, using gateways, we can provide protection to each and everyone. But we can, when I discuss the same thing in the form of email to a IICT scientist, he replied that we can't use, in borders, if we use it means we can stop the, illegal immigrants and terrorist attacks in the borders actually. When I explained, because right, in 2021, I think, in 2020, the Galvan Valley, so many Chinese soldiers entered in India, and we also responded in a right manner, and so, but more than 20 of our soldiers have died. In China, soldiers also died actually. But we can stop that type of incidents, and even so many stone buildings are there in Kashmir and in Jammu and in Uttar Pradesh and in many areas also. We can stop this type of stone buildings also. This is my idea, sir. But when I am telling this to in the borders, if you put means that is we can put protection inside. We can stop ragging incidents also through liquid chemicals. That is my idea. But when I told the same thing to same scientist, he replied that we can't use chemicals as weapons. India signed on the in Netherlands treaty. So many countries signed on the treaty. So please don't do this type of emails. Don't text any emails to any department like that. He replied. When I'm trying to explain the same thing, when I'm trying to explain the thing, sir, I'm not going for that powerful chemical, sir. Any normal, right, a flake lime, which we use for painting purpose. That will give normal burning sensation only. Hello?
Okay. I'm listening you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we can, normal, we call it as flake lime actually, white color thing actually. That is in, we use it for face purpose, painting purpose in houses actually.
Okay.
I hope you remember that painting purpose, that type of small chemicals only, sir. Any bleaching powder, any small flake lime stone, which we use for this thing. House painting purpose during festivals. It will not kill the person, but it will not kill the person, but it will cause small effects. So that the person should escape from the situation. Like that, we can prepare, sir. We are not going for any methyl isocyanate, which is in Bhopal gas tragedy. If the chemicals fall on our body means, body will get a direct effect, and if we respect that methyl isocyanate means we will die. But I am not going with that for that type of dangerous chemicals. I am going for only simple chemicals, which which causes a normal skin burning sensation. So the person should escape from the terrorist or any thief. He should murderer. Should escape from the situation. Like that of simple chemicals I am using, sir. Through electromagnetic principles, we can make that chemicals should fall on that particular culprit only. We can save the victim. Through electromagnetic principles, we can do that, sir. Car washing, right? That water, if it is coming force means, it will go very straight manner. It will not go as a water. Shower bath like that. It will not.
Can you send a write-up on this or a video on this?
Yes, there are 2 minutes video. Just a 2 minutes video. I have that. Right now, I have that. If you want me, I can send it right now.
You can please share me, and
okay.
I will upload it on Crime Free Bharat Mission also.
Sir, actually, so many persons can do against this thing also, sir. Why? Because I have seen candidates who are against to, Hinduism, and they want to stop our Hinduism unity. So many things are there.
Do you know your so-called political leaders? They are the biggest enemy of the Hinduism.
Okay.
And it includes all party. It includes RSS, include BJP, it includes Bajrang Dal and everybody.
Okay.
Do you know why? Because
Why means
there are 55 odd acts which have been framed by these rascal politicians
okay.
against the right of equality. So your constitution has given you the right of the equality, and nobody can be discriminated on the basis of the caste, creed, sex, race, or religion. But these rascal politicians has framed 55 rules, 55 acts against the Hindus. Now, we keep on harping, we are Hindus, Hindus, we want to protect Hindus. First of all, repeal all these 55 acts. Why it is not being done by the BJP?
Actually, thing is, I mean, someone are telling BJP has don't have enough power in Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, so only, I mean, it is
Why they should be given power? You bring the just a statement of repealment, let it fail. People who will be opposing, they will be exposed.
That is correct, sir.
No, what's the harm in that?
I do agree with you, sir.
At the worst, it may fail, right?
Yes, sir.
So, what is the harm in bringing a motion of repealment of these 55 acts? Let it fail. Let it fail. Or we can bring 55 different motions. Let it fail. Few will fail, few will pass.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So
First I will send that video,
these politicians are not going to do anything because they want to have the fear in mind. ये डायलॉग मारेंगे, बटोगे तो कटोगे, और बिना बटे जुड़े रहो और इनको वोट देते रहो, ये दुष्टों को, अपराधियों को पार्लियामेंट में भेजते रहेंगे. इन दुष्ट राजनेताओं ने 543 में 251 अपराधियों को सांसद बनाकर पार्लियामेंट में बिठा दिया है. ये महादुष्ट हैं. जब तक ये दुष्ट रहेंगे, ये देश नहीं बदल सकता है. लिहाजा take the pledge of good India and Maithili Sharan Gupta will transform everything, including your rules will be changed, your administrative system will change, police will change, judicial system will change without any cost to the government. At present, more than 5 crore cases are pending in Supreme Court, in various courts.
Yes, sir, correct.
Now, in the revised system, you will be getting justice within 30 days through a distributed video-based trial. Within 30 days. And it is not the judgment, it is the justice.
Okay.
So, the very simple, do you want to propagate your idea or do you want to have the pledge of the good India and have the good India too? What do you want?
I want good India, sir.
Start from today?
I want good India.
Okay. What you have to do you know that?
Sir?
What you are supposed to do for having the good India?
First we have to hate people.
No. You know not to do anything. You simply need to do whatever work you are doing for your livelihood or for your living. Right? Do it very honestly, very sincerely, with the full faith, full commitment. When you complete your work, then whosoever around you, you just listen or share with them what the good India is offering to you. Right? Then inquire from the people whether they want to have the good India, and if they want, give them the pledge,
Okay, sir.
right?
Okay.
Give them the pledge, okay? And record that pledge.
Okay.
Send it to me on Telegram app on this number itself. That is 9425606040. I repeat,
Okay.
take a pledge of good India and make a video of taking pledge and share with me on Telegram and give me a ring that you have shared it, so that I will put it on the Crime Free Bharat YouTube channel.
Okay, sir.
Secondly, in present day, everybody is very busy
Okay. Yes, sir. Correct.
and we are not in position to meet our own kith and kud, our friends, our neighbors.
Yes, sir.
So, can we make a list of the people who are very close to your heart, and you can make a roster of them and request them to invite their own people, that is their family member, their relatives, their friends, their neighbors, and the people connected so far, right? And
Okay, sir.
then again share what the good India is offering to you. And then take a pledge of good India and do it once in a month.
Okay, sir.
It means if you are having a list of the 12 people, one people will get an opportunity only once in a year. So you will be meeting every month, right?
Okay.
If there are 24 people, then you will get in 2 years, 36 people will get in 3 years, 48 people will get in 4 years, 60 people will get in 5 years.
Okay.
So though you are, say if there are list of the 60 people, then in 5 year you will get once upon to call your own people, right?
Okay.
At the same time, you are getting an opportunity to meet every month. Is that right or not?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
So, if nothing else, it will generate a right kind of the bonhomie, right kind of the positivity, right kind of the sweetness, right kind of the depth in your relationship. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
If you are in a problem, there will be these people who will stand by you. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now, using this occasion to make them aware what is means by the good India and taking a pledge, this activity, if done religiously, within few days we will be 100 crore.
Okay.
Crime Free Bharat is having its own political party. I am the national president of that party. The name is Shrestha Atmanirbhar Bharat Party. Shrestha का S, आत्मनिर्भर का A, and Bharat का B. So it is SAB, Sabki Party.
Okay.
This is not intended to do any political activity.
Okay.
So I am the national president. So then what is the purpose of creating this? So the purpose is to create 6 merit lists of the people of the village, of the Parshad area, of the mayor area, of the Jila Panchayat Adhyaksh, of the state and of the country, of the nation, right?
Okay.
The person who will be number one of adding their own people through app, he will become Sarpancha. The person who is number one in Parshad area, he will become Parshad.
Okay.
Whosoever is number one in mayor area, he will become mayor. Whosoever is number one in district, he will become Jila Panchayat Adhyaksh. Whosoever is number one in the state, he will become the chief minister. Number 2 and 3 will become deputy chief minister, and the 15 to 45 people, depending upon the size of the state, they will become the state minister, and 70 in case of Delhi, and 402 in case of Uttar Pradesh. So if you are between 70 to 402, you are likely to become Vidhayak.
Okay.
At the country level, if you are number one, you will be the prime minister. If you are number 2 or 3, you will be the deputy prime minister. If you are within 82, you will be the you will be the minister of central government. And if you are in 543, you will be member of parliament.
Okay.
So this political party will reach out to you if you are in merit, and will give you the two things. Number one, it will give you the certificate of Chandragupta of that area, right?
Okay, sir.
So, and secondly, it will give you the ticket. It's a political ticket,
Okay.
right? Now, if you want to get ticket, you have to run pillar to post. You have to pay crores of rupees, and even for winning election, you have to spend crores of rupees. Am I right or not?
Correct, sir.
This new arrangement, despite the
Here
fact
we need,
in this
here
new
we need,
arrangement,
here in this, in our going, I mean, in our party, we need not to spend any course of rupees, no?
forget about the nota vota, because it's not. Let it be there, whatever it is. I mean, we are not going into those dimensions, because that will not be required.
Okay.
These politicians, even after spending crores of rupees, all of them they will be defeated. And your Chandragupta, without spending a single penny, without even asking for the vote, all of them they will be winning. Why they will be winning? Because by then we will be 100 crore. So we will ask our people, if any politician or political party approach them, take as much you can take from them, because it is not their money, right?
Yes, sir.
Once you have looted these politicians, then you have to take a placard in which, what's your good name?
Jagadish, sir.
Jagdish.
Jagadish. Yes, sir,
Yeah,
Jagadish.
so Mr. Jagdish is my Chandragupta, and he is his serial number is 2 in the EVM machine, and this is his symbol, and I will vote for him with pledge.
Okay.
Now, if 100 crore people will be taking that kind of the pledge, whether the Jagdish need to go and ask for vote for himself?
I mean,
Whether you need to do any kind of the canvassing?
No, sir, I need not to do it, because 100 crore people are with me.
Correct. So, do you agree that despite the fact that these political party will be spending crores of rupees, not even single candidate will be winning? Can you see these possibilities?
Possibilities are there, sir, but we have to work properly. But I mean to say,
Forget about it. You have to do your job sincerely, which is meant for your own livelihood or living. And just then, whosoever is around, just share what you mean by the good India and get the plan. That's all.
Okay.
Nothing extra.
Okay, sir.
You will get everything, including the political power. At the same time, everything will change.
Okay, sir.
Mr. Jagdish, would you be doing this much for yourself?
I will start, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram, Jai Gurudev.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Hello?
Yes, you can disconnect.
Jagadish.